Hey yo, what is up? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is absolutely perfect because as you know, we like to keep it sweet and short on this channel. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be going over the ultimate cloud stock to buy on the dip now. And this ain't your generic cloud stock that all these other YouTubers talk about. This is on a whole nother level. This is the future. So without further ado, make sure you smash that subscribe button and smash that like button because these videos take a ton of time to research and it greatly helps the channel out. So with that being said, let's clock in. So the ultimate cloud stock is Appian stock. Some of you guys might have heard about the company but don't really know what they do. So I'm going to firstly give a quick summary about what they do and then why they have huge growth. And when I say huge growth, I mean huge growth ahead. So stick around for that. Appian offers a low-code automation platform where you can basically create processes and workflows without having to do any coding or testing yourself, and it's by simple dragging and dropping. Their platforms automate the creation of forms, data flows, records, reports, and a bunch of other stuff. The reason this tool is so important because if you think about it, businesses, they have tons of teams, they have various amount of data, and they can't just be buying endless amount of applications for all that data and endless amount of applications for people to use. They gotta do something themselves, right? And so they use Appian's platform, which is a low-code automation platform. So people, they don't need to know coding. By simple dragging and dropping, they can create processes and workflows for anything they need. I mean, it's just dragging and dropping. How hard can it be? And that, my friend, is the point. It's not hard at all. Whether it be business process management or even using pre-trained AI models to analyze your data, Appian is the one-stop shop for automation, and the numbers don't lie. Not only was Appian Gartner's Magic Quadrant leader for intelligent business process management suites winner 9 times in a row, but their cloud subscription growth has been growing at double digits every quarter, and on the cloud subscriptions, they have a whooping 90% margin. But look, this is right now, obviously. What about the future? This is where the important stuff begins, so stay with me. In January this year, Appian bought a company, their first acquisition ever, and by far probably one of their smartest moves. The company they bought was ddog, a developer of the RPA platform, which is ranked #1 by Gartner peer sites. Now, what is RPA and why does this matter? Well, any tasks that are highly repetitive, whether that being generating an automatic email response or deploying thousands of bots programmed to automate jobs in an ERP system, that is an example of RPA. The global RPA market size is expected to reach USD 10.7 billion by 2027 from 1.1 billion in 2019, which just goes to show the potential Appian has. And new research data from Gartner finds that the RPA market grew at over 63% last year, making it the fastest growing enterprise software category. And look, I know there are other companies already dominating the RPA market like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, but the RPA market has just gotten started, and Appian has a huge potential to enter that market and really build a dominant, strong position there. As they are a company that already focuses on automation, this is a natural and perfect fit for them. As I mentioned, they've become a one-stop shop for automation, and this solidifies it. The RPA market has an insane amount of growth ahead of it, and Appian is in the right position with automation to take full advantage. Appian is currently down 25% from its highs. I bought some shares last week, and if it pulls back below $40, I will definitely be buying some more. So let me know what you guys think about Appian below. Make sure you subscribe and like. We've crossed 500 subscribers, on our way to 1,000, and it's time to clock out. So take it easy. Peace.